In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Instagram crashing on your Android and iPhone. The first thing I like to do when I have trouble with an app is to make sure that the app is updated. And you can do this by going to App Store or the Google Play Store if you are on Android. And then you want to search for Instagram. And as you can see beside the app here, it says open, but if it says update, you need to update the app. And by updating the app, this might solve your problem. So let's go to the next step. The next step is actually to clear the Instagram cache. If you have a lot of cache stored, this can make that your Instagram app is crashing. So what you want to do on your Google Play, on your Android, you want to go to settings, and then you want to go to Instagram, and there you should have an option that says clear the cache. But if you are on an iPhone, you actually need to delete and reinstall the app to clear the cache. So you just tap it and then you tap remove app. And this is basically how you fix Instagram crashing on your Android and iPhone. If these two steps isn't working, you should try to contact Instagram support. Thanks for watching. Hope this video helped. If it did, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next video.